Are you intrigued by the idea of making someone think about you constantly, even when you're not around? Most people believe that such level of influence over another's thoughts is beyond their reach. However, the power of dark psychology offers insights that can help you achieve just that. In this video, we're going to explore 10 potent dark psychology tricks that can make someone obsessively think about you. These techniques might feel like they should be kept under lock and key, but we're here to shed light on them. So if you're ready to delve into the secrets of dark psychology, let's get started. Number 1. Ignore their social media. Ignoring someone's social media while maintaining a warm and engaging in-person relationship is a bit like playing hard to get into the digital world. It's a delicate balance that taps into the psychology of desire and longing. In a world where social media has become a significant part of our lives, many people seek validation and attention through their online presence. Liking their photos, commenting on their posts, or acknowledging their stories can make them feel noticed and appreciated. However, when you intentionally withhold these online gestures while still having a great time with them in person, it can lead to a curious dynamic. Your actions send mixed signals. On one hand, they enjoy your company and have a good time with you when you're physically together. But on the other hand, your apparent lack of interest in their social media leaves them questioning your true feelings. This uncertainty can stir up emotions and create a sense of longing. They might wonder why you aren't showing the same level of appreciation online, and this pondering is what makes them think about you even more. Number 2. Have fun without them. One effective way to make someone think about you more is to have a great time even when they're not around. See, when they know you're out there having fun without them, it triggers a sense of curiosity. They might wonder what you're up to and who you're spending time with. This fear of missing out, FOMO, can lead to them thinking about you more often. Moreover, when they see you're enjoying your life without them, it creates a contrast. While they are aware you're doing things you love, they may feel a bit left out or like they're missing out, and this may make them miss you or think about you more often. Number 3. Try subtle insults and ambiguity. Have you ever noticed how in movies, the character who initially annoys the protagonist the most ends up grabbing their interest and sometimes even falling for them? This intriguing phenomenon can be explained by the use of subtle insults or playful teasing to create a unique dynamic. When someone introduces subtle insults or ambiguous comments into a conversation, it stirs curiosity and leaves a hint of uncertainty. Just like in those movies, this tactic can lead to a change in perspective. When you're on the receiving end of these comments, it triggers your brain to work in reverse, wondering why someone might be insulting you or playfully teasing you. This psychological twist adds value to your interactions because it creates a distinctive and memorable experience. By incorporating this element of intrigue, it ensures that they'll keep thinking about you long after your conversation has concluded. Number 4. Use indifference. Using indifference as a strategy to make someone think about you involves a delicate psychological dance. It's a tactic that capitalizes on the human inclination to desire what is not readily available. First and foremost, build a genuine connection with the person. Spend quality time with them, engage in meaningful conversations, and allow them to get to know you better. Now, as you establish a connection, openly express your interest in and affection for the person. Let them know that you enjoy their company and value your interactions. It's important to be a good friend during this phase, ensuring they feel a sense of security and connection. Then, introduce gradual indifference. You don't want to act completely aloof, but start pulling back slightly. This change in behavior is intended to make them question why you're acting differently and if they might have misinterpreted your feelings. This will end up making them think about you way more than they did before. However, it's essential to strike a balance. Being excessively indifferent can lead to misunderstandings and push them away. Monitoring their reactions and adjusting your approach accordingly is vital. When applied thoughtfully and respectfully, it can lead to make someone think about you more as they navigate their feelings and attraction. Number 5. Try strategically timed texts. In today's digital world, text messages play a significant role in our interactions, and the timing of these messages can make all the difference. Why? Because it's about creating anticipation and excitement. When you send a thoughtful message at an unexpected time, it catches them off guard and creates a sense of excitement. The element of surprise means they won't be able to predict when your next message will arrive, keeping you at the forefront of their thoughts. However, there's a twist. Sending messages at inappropriate times or overwhelming their inbox can have the opposite effect. It might come across as clingy or intrusive, and that's not the desired outcome. Aim for sending messages at times that are unexpected but not intrusive, ensuring that they're thinking about you and eagerly anticipating your next message. Number 6. Touch their shoulder. Imagine leaving a lasting imprint on someone's memory, an impression that lingers in their thoughts. A simple touch on the shoulder can achieve just that. The magic of this gesture lies in human psychology. When executed with finesse, physical touch triggers something extraordinary. When someone you like touches your skin, it often leads to a psychological response. Their touch can cause the blood vessels in your skin to dilate, which increases blood flow to the area and can create a warm, pleasant sensation. This physical reaction reinforces the positive emotions associated with the touch and strengthens the bond you share. It's a subtle yet powerful way to make sure you stay on their mind. So, when you touch someone's shoulder during a conversation, it's like igniting a current of positive emotions. They associate that touch with positive emotions that endure long after you've said your goodbyes. It's a subtle yet powerful way to ensure you stay on their mind. Number 7. Laugh at all their jokes. Why should you laugh at their jokes even if they're not the funniest? The psychology behind it is fascinating, and this trick will leave you lingering in their thoughts. We all appreciate being around people who genuinely enjoy our sense of humor. When you laugh at their jokes, it sends a powerful message. It says that you cherish their company. This boosts their self-esteem and makes you feel appreciated. They remember the good vibes they associate with your presence, making them yearn for more. So, by sharing a hearty laugh at their jokes, you're not only enjoying a moment of mirth together, you're leaving an indelible imprint in their minds. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure that they can't help but think about you with a smile. Number 8. Let them talk about themselves. People absolutely love talking about themselves. When you actively encourage them to share their thoughts, experiences, and stories, you're giving them a platform to express their true selves. And here's where the magic unfolds. When they feel heard, understood, and valued, those positive emotions become intertwined with your presence. You become the person who allows them to be their authentic selves, a rare and precious gift in a world where everyone's often preoccupied with their own stories. You'll be remembered as the one who made them feel genuinely seen, leaving a lasting desire to reconnect with you. By providing a safe space for them to express themselves, you're not merely having a conversation, you're creating a profound and memorable experience. Number 9. Show them your reserved side. Being a bit shy or coy and a tad hard to get can be a game changer in making someone think about you. It's like sprinkling a touch of intrigue into your interactions. Imagine yourself as the enigmatic character in a captivating story. By displaying a hint of reserve, you invite the person to embark on a quest to unravel your true self. This hint of mystery naturally piques their curiosity, as if you're a puzzle waiting to be solved. This little trick adds a dash of excitement and suspense to your connection, ensuring that they can't resist wanting to uncover more about you. It's like sowing the seeds of interest, so they'll be pondering your thoughts long after your encounter. So the next time you meet them, embrace your inner shyness and reserve and watch the magic unfold. Number 10. Leave them wanting more. Last but not least, never reveal all your cards at once. Human beings are naturally wired to seek closure and resolution. When you end an interaction leaving them wanting more, you create an open loop in their mind. It's like a cliffhanger in a gripping story. They crave the resolution, and that resolution is you. Why is this so important to do? Because it ensures that they keep thinking about you. When an interaction ends abruptly or on a high, they're left with a lingering thought of you. Their minds wander back to the conversation, seeking closure. This continuous loop keeps you in the forefront of their thoughts. They look forward to the next conversation, replaying the previous one in their minds. It's a powerful way to stay on their radar and ensure they can't forget you. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.